There are a lot of things to celebrate, not only the beautiful evening, but also that I have to explain something. We are not 25 million members anymore. We are 26 million members around the world. So it's going the right direction. You heard when we talked about that March is going to be the biggest month in this industry ever. We are going to create the largest momentum that the world have ever seen in this industry. And you, my friends, are going to be the top leaders leading this revolution all around the globe. You know that what we are having now is the epic promotion upgrade for free. It's there and it will be there whole of March. And in end of March we will release and launch some of the most powerful products and tools ever in this industry. We will also make sure that we have the greatest tools in our new member packages. We will make sure that all members and all leaders around the globe have the right information. That's why we are doing two events down here in beginning of April. 3 days and then 3 days again. But listen now, we have the epic promotion upgrade for free. We also have the promotion, right? The promotion, where you actually can go with a much better price to Titanium Pro, right? At the same time, now we're building a foundation to create the fastest momentum and the best foundation and the best platform for all new members joining this. But you heard me talk about that we are not only going to build the largest crowd in the world, we are also building the largest mobile company, right? The largest mobile company in the world. And we are also going to create millions and millions and millions of members of people that will have a long-term recurring residual income. We will be the first company in this industry that not only talk about it, that we will actually create a long-term residual income so that all the members around the world, millions of members, tens of millions of members, really can change the future and change the economical situation by doing a second or the first online business. So therefore, in addition to the epic promotion upgrade for free and the promotion where you can go to the best package, we will also from tonight, from exactly now, make sure that we become #1 in the world. So from now, in all member packages, when all new members start, we put in Mixter directly into, so you never, and any 69 euro anymore. All members get full access to Mixter from day one. All the games, everything. So all members joining the company directly create residual long-term income. You don't need to make new members go for Mixter 1 month, 6 months, 12 months. It's directly in the member package from day one for all people. And listen, we will give it to all members that have joined since day one. So we give it to all 25 million members. All 25 million members will have the full access to all Mixter, and we have just started. What you will see, what we will do with Mixter, and you saw the Planets IX and so on, everything, you will have it when you start directly. So for the first company that we put in product and services directly for all members, That's it. That's how we will change the world. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And it starts now. So you can tell all people around the world that every single person joining this company from now have full access to Mixer. Everything will be directly for all people.